Bear hunting has become one of my favorite hunts. The reason being, it takes you to some of the most incredible areas and landscape that this world has to offer. I love it. I love being in the field. I love the grind, and just out chasing these animals. They're tough to hunt because of the areas that they inhabit, and it's dangerous. It's wild, and it just keeps bringing me back year after year. Jeff's introduced me to hunting bears like you do quail in close quarters. We would have been right in the kitchen last night if we would have seen a bear. So we're coming up the other side of the mountain today. We're gonna look across and look into those meadows where we were last night. But this road, this old logging road that we're going up, Jeff's seen bears on it before, so side.
I just right in the chest. Oh, I wish you would have been right here. He saw me. Oh yeah, he looked right at me. He's been sniffing around. Hey, he's not a giant. He's a good bear. We got a bear. Dude, we did it, buddy. We did it. What time is it? 4 o'clock? Dude, you. Alright, hold on. Okay, let's see. Bear down.
Yeah, I was thinking you were gonna wait, but when he came up,
Oh, he was facing towards me.
that's a gorgeous bear, man.
Oh, he is so pretty. There. Oh, man. You couldn't ask for better. So sweet.
He is a stud. He's an absolute stud.
What'd you do, Justin?
Oh man, just flipping got lucky. We knew it, man. We felt it. You felt it. Oh my gosh, he's so pretty. My first chocolate, yeah. Wow, just a beautiful bear. I couldn't be more happy. I could not be more happy. He is so pretty.
Congratulations, man.
Oh, Jeff, this has just been incredible. We have grinded, man. We have grinded it out to come up here and just smoke one. I cannot believe it. He's so pretty. Oh, let's take a look at him. Let's get in here. He's got a patch too.
Got a little light patch.
Yeah, he does. Goodness. What a beautiful animal. Alright, so we keep getting thunder and lightning coming in. We're gonna break him down and start packing him out, but this is some pretty gorgeous area for sure. Coming down. There's right over there. On here.
I think it might have killed that bear in one of the prettiest places that I've ever do it.
Absolutely.
It's just
Blue skies over there though.
absolutely gorgeous. Gorgeous bear. Just so much to be thankful for.
Yep.
Absolutely perfect hunt.
right, he's all caped out. All the meat's cut up. He died right there. What a cool hunt.
We've had some very unseasonable weather this year, and the snow melt, the melt off has just been really early, and everything's really greened up. So those bears aren't typically where they're at this time of year. They're starting to move, and those green meadows aren't holding them like they normally do. We hiked into a place where the snow was super deep, but it's one of my favorite places to hunt bear. It's kind of has to be the perfect timing to get there, and luckily it was melted off and greened up, and we got in there early. We hiked, and the weather changed in like 30 seconds. I swear the temperature dropped 10 degrees. The wind kind of died down. You just had that feeling that something was going to come in at any moment, and it was literally like 5 minutes after that, and this bear came in. He came in fast. He came in from up above us, which we weren't expecting, and he came in quick. Luckily we were able to get the camera on him for a few seconds. Justin made just a great frontal shot. That bear didn't go 10 yards, and he was dead in 2 seconds. Just a clean, ethical kill. Just a absolutely perfect hunt. We couldn't ask for anything better. To have a hunt like that in that area is something that we all dream about as hunters. It's just one of those perfect nights that you just can't beat, and just happy to be a part of it, and hopefully we'll get back in there and do it again soon.